bottom.
If you take something and plan on returning it, it ain't stealing, it's just borrowing, huh?
No, but I'd rather borrow some off the river, though, huh? It ain't safe to go ashore.
Well, are you hungry or ain't you?
Your worship, shall we? Chicken drowning. Eggs a la Creole, a royal repast. Religious?
Jaclyn.
Well, we'll be in Clarksville by midday tomorrow. We've
Jaclyn.
got business in Clarksville. Hamlet.
Jaclyn.
Perhaps you'd care to run your lamps over this.
Jaclyn.
We'll come across it in a local journal.
Jaclyn.
He's going to Cairo. You'd be wise to turn down $60 in currency. What do you say, boy? The decision's all yours. La la, there's so many suckers that a man with brains don't even know where to begin.
Son, you citizen. Hold on there, my dear. Your Uncle William and me was on our way from the rectory in England to the deepest jungle.
Okay. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come to Daddy. Oh, one more time.
Whoa, that's put it down.
Hey, look at me. Come on. Come on.
She's so proud of herself
Yeah.
to stand out.
Oh.
Boom! This is playing with her game.
Okay. Come on. No. Oh. Yeah. Yes, sir. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on.
Grandma, come on.
Come on. She's standing there a long time. You ready?
Yeah.
Ray! Why did you drop her on her head? You sure.
One more time.
Okay. A
Wait
double.
a minute now. You swing her quite a few times.
She'll get dizzy.
Oh, that's it. You're not swinging her this way, not round and up and down.
Just
More?
more pictures. More pictures. More pictures.
Bugs.
Get those bugs out of your hair.
Where's Jamie?
She's asleep with RJ's clothes on.
Can you smile? Jaclyn?
Look. You want to see my colors, Mox? Because you want to see my colors?
I think you got it upside down.
You handed it to me wrong, Ray. Turn it up. Get his color.
Look at me, Ray.
Does that go like that?
Huh? RJ, look at me. Look at me. Keep looking at me. Keep looking. I can't see your hands in front of your face.
I can't see either.
Well, look at my camera.
More important
Quick,
than,
look.
Grandpa's
Put your hand down. Put your hand down.
Open your eyes is white.
Look at me.
But looking up.
Look up. Look up. Look. Look. Look at me.
this age.
Tomato plant.
You know what? They can. They can start and they can come out. He's not even taking this.
There you go, Dirk.
Don't look at, listen to her. She's always got something snotty to say about my pictures.
I don't
Who,
like
this
why
one?
she takes
Huh?
pictures.
Her?
Yeah.
Betty?
Why don't you like them?
I know, because you never put people on them.
You know what, this little, you can do this too.
You know, I bought all those girly things for Jamie and Dirk and put some RJ's too.
Got my shirt on.
Yeah.
Hurry, Pond.
Say drawer.
She says, I know it.
Next.